Hi dear Gemini, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal reading for all the Gemini. Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Keep in mind this is general. It might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the rules can be reversed also. Third thing, this is a reading from to 12 till the 18th of August for those who are in complete no contact or no communication and wants to know what's going on the other side. If it is not resonating, it's not your story. You can just skip the video. If you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono, but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same, and it has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that. I'm doing it from a very long time now. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can mail me for the same. So let's start, Gemini. The person that you have no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now at this present moment. Let's see. Okay. Their feelings are they are no longer confused about the situation. They are no longer on the crossroads about the situation. They got the clarity, they got the answer, and now they feel like moving on from the situation towards calmer water. Even though this person is still carrying a lot of past baggages with them, lot of negative past memories with them in the situation, they still are carrying a lot of this negative stuff with them. Because of the situation, but they feel like moving on is the only option left in the situation, and they can't do anything about it. They can't fix the situation anymore. They definitely feel like moving on is the right thing to do, and their guards are up. you know they are in this energy of, in the background, their guards are very high. They are in this energy of being like a wounded warrior. Even if you are going to connect with them, they are going to make you feel like you are hurting them more by doing something like that. So they're hurt, they're wounded, and they feel like they're no longer in any kind of confusion or illusion or delusion. They feel like moving on from the situation because this is the only right thing to do right now. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, Gemini? We have the Four of Swords, the Two of Wands, the Five of Pentacles, Four of Pentacles in the background. So, honey, this their intention is to heal themselves and wait for the time when they will be able to come out of this feeling left out in the situation, this feeling left out in the cold in the situation kind of a deal. Right now, this person is in some kind of victim mentality. Okay, and they are praying and hoping for some kind of miracles. They are waiting and hoping for the time when they will be able to come out of this victim mentality, when they will be able to come out of this feeling lost and confused in their love life kind of the situation. So this person wants to heal themselves, and they want to wait for the time when they will be totally out of this situation, out of this connection, out of this feeling hurt and feeling broke because of this situation. Yeah, they're still holding on to some kind of pain or anger or resentment or some kind of guilt, maybe if they did something wrong. They're still holding on to something. They want to be like a closed book. They don't want to reveal too much to you. They don't want to be vulnerable in front of you. They don't want to say much. They don't want to communicate much. They just want to silently move on from the situation, and as of now their plan is to not to look back. This is what they are up to for this week. Let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the 18th of August. We have the Ace of Pentacles, the Three of Pentacles, the Four of Pentacles, Seven of Swords. Lying to themselves continuously. Gemini, this person is continuously lying to themselves, trying to sneak away from the situation, but they are not able to do that. It's like still they want to come towards you and have this collaboration and partnership with you. It's like they're typing the messages and deleting them, typing the messages and deleting them, about to call you then not calling you, about to call you and not calling you. It's like there's a strong urge, there's a strong desire to come forward towards you, to at least talk to you, but they're not doing that. They're holding on to this energy of, no, I should not, why should I should not connect with Gemini at all, no matter what. Even if I'm going to die, I'm not going to connect with Gemini. and this is my final decision. So according to them, they are very adamant, they are very stubborn right now in this energy of not contacting you, not connecting with you. Even if they have this strong desire and urge to do that, they're like, no, no matter what, I'm not going to do that. Continuously lying to themselves. Actually this person wants to connect, but they are like in this energy of continuously being in this energy of no, being deceptive, being in this energy of I don't care who Gemini, I don't care about Gemini, but they do, still they do. Okay, let's see the guidance for you guys in the situation from the universe, Gemini. Tower. Okay, this is done. This is something that's falling apart because this is done. There's nothing. There was the root was very weak. The root of the situation was very weak. What we call that. I'm not getting the exact word here, Gemini. But because the root was so unstable, uh, the foundation was so unstable, it was bound to fail like this. So if it is falling apart, don't be in this surprised or shocking energy why the hell it is not working out, because again the foundation was not strong. It's not strong, the foundation was very weak. And if it is falling apart, let it fall apart. Okay, either either this situation is going to start from a very strong foundation in the coming future, or it is done, it is gone. If you guys cannot start it again with a strong foundation, consider it done, consider it gone. And take the situation for what it is, accept the truth for what it is. Sorry to say that, but this is what I'm getting as a guidance. And you guys know me that I'm not going to lie to anybody just to make them happy. This is what it is, honey. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Gemini. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.